Entrance na 300 pesos.
Okay, okay.
150 volts. Combined. DJs at the 3 AM.
Okay. The Team Sugar family with 200 volts. At 150 with original music with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
System 2. Alright. I got one question. You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Alam mo guys, isang voice coil speaker, 12,500 yan. Kahit ako may-ari ng sound system, sabihin ko, alalay lang, alalay. Basta ipakita lang ng 250 volts. I salute you, DJ Drop Sound Works. 250 volts yun, pinakita yun. Lampas yun, 250 volts. Yun ang nagpapatunay na kaya pala 250 volts. Diba? Ngayon, malaking challenge yan sa EMV. Kasi nakakausa. Malaking challenge yan sa EMV. Bakit kaya sa Shocker? 6-inch voice coil ang Shocker. Ang master na EMV. 8.5 voice coil. Yung tama ba po? 8.5 voice coil? Oh, nandito yung CMC Electronics Trading 8-inch voice coil. 8-inch? 8-inch, 5-inch voice coil, 5 magnets na DB audio. Nandito yun sino yung Paring Dominic? Si Dominic! Asaan si Paring Dominic? Paring Dominic!